Linear equation question solved. In 12 years, a man will be 3 times as old as his son, and the difference between their present age is y years. Let the son be of x years. Father will be it's given that the difference between their age is 30 years. Therefore, y minus x is equal to 30 years. And the second equation given is in 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. In 12 years means we have to add 12, x plus 12, that is son plus 12. Father also we have to add 12, y plus 12. The father will be 3 times his son, which means 3x plus 36 is y plus 12. Equation simplifies to 3x minus y is 12 minus 36. 3x minus y is minus 24. This is the second equation. So, by first equation, we can reframe it to y is equal to, shifting x to right side, 30 plus x. So substituting the equation 1 in 2, 3x remains as it is, and instead of y, let me use 30 plus x, that's minus 24. Opening the bracket, 3x minus 30 minus x is minus 24. 2x is minus 24 plus 30, which makes it 2x is 6, hence x is 6 by 2, which is 3, and y is 30 plus x, taking the y equation part, 30 plus 3, that's 33. So father's age (33 years) and son is 3 years.